Hello and welcome. This is Mike Swan of Radan producing a video for Jim Corcoran of HurleyMetalFab to demonstrate our MRP import capabilities with Radan. Basically what I'm going to show here is the ability for us to take some output from a MRP system. So at any time slice that the MRP system wants to push that data out and provide us with production requirements, we can capture that data and then begin processing it. To illustrate, I have a CSV file here. If I open that with Excel here, we see it's just simply a file of the parts, the quantities that we want, maybe a work order, a customer, so on like that, whatever information we want to include in that information that's coming out of the MRP. But of course, the most important being, well, what needs to be made and how many of them and when we need them. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and drop it in the auto process folder. Before I do that, I am going to start my watcher. So at this point, the RAD import is looking for any activity on the MRP side, and will let us know if we see some. So let's go ahead and let it see some. We'll grab this laser file. We'll take it here and copy it to the auto process, and at that point that it sees that in the background here, Radan is picking up on that CSV file, and RAD import is feeding it the information saying, here's DXF number 1. The Radan is cleaning that file. It takes a look to see if there's a continuous geometry around the exterior of the part. Are all the holes closed? Is it ready to really go to nesting? It has cleaning utilities in there that can clean those parts up, make sure they're ready. It's also applying a temporary laser toolpath here to do some time calculations for us so we can get some runtime information about these parts. And it's saving them as a Radan sim file, which is the format ready for nesting in Radan. I have some automation features turned on where when it's finished reading in the CSV file, I have it set to go ahead and bring it into a project and then actually go ahead and start nesting the parts. So it's going to take it the full length here. I could decide to turn those switch boxes off, just let it populate my nesting schedule requirements if that output is coming out of the MRP system, say every half hour or something like that. And then maybe at 10 o'clock I decide I want to run the requirements of that day. I could then come in and say, okay, I'm ready to take what's been released and now nest it. So we're finishing up here, and it's placed those parts into the project. We can see here are all the different parts that were read into Radan that are ready to be nested here. I'll check for my sheet selections. I do have all of my 060 available sheets here coming in. My parts are ready. I'm set to my profile machine. I'm ready to start nesting. So like I said, I could have this set up as automatic, or I can go ahead and then run this one. And then now the nesting process has begun. So all of those requirements that came in from the MRP system are now being puzzle fit together. It's looking at the different sheet sizes, trying to find the optimum sheet size for our parts. It's applying the tool paths to those parts. It's optimizing those tool paths, and it's in this dialog popping up here, it's actually generating the program to run the nest. So when we see a nest come up over here on the right side, that's a completed nest. It has been obviously nested, tooled, optimized, and NC program output. So there it's told me 2 nests were saved, 2 drawings, and an estimated time of 1 hour 1 minute. And then our nest is coming up, showing us here the nest parameters, and we can see some of the very powerful utilities in Radan for nesting inside of windows or nest inside of nest, making good utilization of the material. And we're ready to go. So I've got 2 completed NC programs that are ready to be uploaded onto the laser machine and begin cutting. So a quick demonstration to demonstrate that automated capability of RAD import to take whatever production requirements come out of ERP and quickly generate nest. This is Mike Swan for Radan. Thank you very much.